India's regulatory body for pharmaceuticals that has ordered an investigation after World Health Organization has issued an alert which red flags 4 cough syrup manufacturers in India. 4 cough syrups manufactured in India, The WHO warning has come after the death of 66 children in West African nation of the Gambia due to acute kidney injuries. Now, 4 medicines red flagged by the WHO are promethazine oral solution, Cofexmalin baby cough syrup, Make-Off baby syrup and Magrip and cold syrup, all manufactured by a firm based in Haryana called Maiden Pharmaceuticals Limited. The WHO report says that these medicines contain unacceptable amounts of contaminants, namely diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol, which can prove fatal when consumed by humans. Consuming these medicines could lead to detrimental effects on the human body, says the WHO report, including abdominal pain, vomiting and diarrhea, and can also cause an altered mental state and acute kidney injury. The WHO has strictly warned against the use of these products and have urged everyone to seek urgent medical attention if they have consumed any of these cough syrups. The UN body has also urged governments to detect and remove these products from circulation and increase surveillance and detection in areas likely to be affected, as well as the informal and unregulated markets. The Haryana government now has also taken note of the WHO advisory because, remember, the manufacturer is based out of this state. They have now ordered a thorough investigation into the matter, and they say that they are also in talks with the officials at the center in the health ministry.
ये जो मामला बताया जा रहा है, हमने तुरंत संज्ञान लिया है और मैंने प्रातः उठते ही अपने ड्रग कंट्रोलर को कहा कि जाकर इसकी कार्रवाई करें, और केंद्र सरकार के अधिकारी भी इसकी पूरी जानकारी ले रहे हैं। केंद्र सरकार के हेल्थ सेक्रेटरी और फार्मास्यूटिकल सेक्रेटरी ने आज प्रातः ही हमारे जो हेल्थ सेक्रेटरी हैं उससे बात की है और ये निर्णय तय हुआ है कि पहले कोई कार्रवाई करने से पहले इसके हम सैंपल चेक करवा दें। तो इसके सैंपल लेके जो सेंट्रल ड्रग लेबोरेटरी है कलकत्ता में, वहां पर सैंपल भेजे गए हैं।
Akanksha, has the culpability been established, or as the minister says, it is yet to be found out whether they were actually to be blamed or not?
Well, this company that is being talked about is under the scanner for the death of 66 children in an African country. Products have been only detected in Gambia. WHO has alerted authorities about this, and it is being probed. Now, I must tell you that Times also visited the corporate office of this company today, and it was found that, first of all, the office was closed. Directors are still silent. Even the official website has been pulled down. Now, the company has also gone incommunicado on the allegations by the WHO. If I must tell you a little bit about the company, it was established in 1990. 10 years down the lane, they started their export business. They have 2 manufacturing plants. One is in Panipat in Haryana,
and they are now under the scanner for what has happened in the Gambia. Probe will establish whether they were culpable or not. Thank you, Akansha, for joining us. We take a very quick break.